Is it possible to defy aging and its challenges like aching joints and declining energy with a single transformative habit? What if the key to lifelong health wasn't a fancy pill or expensive treatment, but something entirely within your reach? Whether you're in your 20s, 30s, or 50s, or facing health issues, this change can make you stronger for the days to come. The best part? It's simple, effective, and available to everyone. Ready for the answer? Just start moving. Let's dive into how it can change your life. In your busy schedule, finding time for exercise can feel like a challenge. Maybe your days are jam-packed, or you're too drained to even think about moving, or perhaps you just don't know where to start. Does that sound familiar? If it does, then you're definitely not alone. So many of us want to be more active, but the idea of committing to a regular routine can feel like climbing a mountain. In fact, many people struggle to hit even the basic health target, burning 700 to 1,000 calories a week through physical activity. And who can blame us? We've all heard it. You need to push yourself to the limit. Not to mention, the fitness world is full of noise. Fad diets, intense workout plans, and flashy promises of quick fixes that rarely pan out. It's enough to make anyone feel overwhelmed or just plain tired. But maybe we've been looking at fitness all wrong. It's not about punishing yourself or chasing perfection. Actually, it's about finding ways to move that feel good and keep you active. Recently, fitness advocates have been emphasizing the importance of staying active, especially for young adults in their 20s and 30s who want to maintain mobility and resilience as they age. The key to lasting results lies not in extreme measures, but in consistency. When you discover activities that bring you joy and seamlessly fit into your lifestyle, the benefits will follow naturally. Years of research leave no doubt that exercise is one of the most powerful tools for improving health and living longer. Just 30 minutes of brisk walking or any alternative activity a day can protect you from developing diabetes by up to 40% and significantly lower your chances of major illnesses like cancer, heart disease, dementia, strokes, and depression. Beyond disease prevention, staying active helps you maintain a healthy weight, build strength, and improve balance and coordination. The benefits don't stop there. Studies, including those from Johns Hopkins, show that regular movement does wonders for mental and emotional well-being. It can lift your mood, improve sleep quality, sharpen your thinking, and even boost your energy. Exercise can also extend your life, improve aging, and help reduce unhealthy habits like smoking. It's a win all around. But with so many options out there, what's the best exercise for your health? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. What matters most is the outcome, becoming strong and capable of handling everyday life, whether that's moving furniture, chasing after your kids, or taking on a hiking trail. When you focus on this goal, it's clear why defining fitness isn't about a specific list of exercises. Instead, it's about building a well-rounded routine that touches on 4 key components. Cardiovascular activity. This includes walking, jogging, swimming, and cycling. Regular aerobic activity strengthens your heart and lungs, improves endurance, and lifts your mood. Strength training. Activities like lifting weights, using resistance bands, or bodyweight exercises such as push-ups and squats build muscle and protect your bones, especially as you age. Plus, more muscle means your body burns more calories at rest. Flexibility exercises. Yoga and stretching routines help keep muscles long, reduce stiffness, and improve mobility and posture. Balance training. Tai Chi, balance drills, and core workouts significantly lower the risk of falls and improve overall coordination. Now, you might have doubts or even excuses. Maybe you've thought, I'm too old to start now. In reality, staying inactive poses a greater risk. accelerating the aging process and limiting your independence. Instead of dwelling on what you used to be able to do, think of fitness as a powerful tool to keep your mind and body sharp. Research from Yale University even shows that older adults who walk just 20 minutes a day are significantly less likely to face mobility issues 2 years later compared to those who don't. Perhaps your concern is time. The truth is, it doesn't take much to make a difference. The American Heart Association recommends 30 minutes of aerobic activity 5 days a week, paired with 2 days of strength training for heart health. And if that sounds like too much, start small. Even a 10-minute walk can kickstart your journey. For example, a casual stroll after dinner while catching up with a friend lets you multitask, connecting with loved ones while taking care of your health. Worried about injuries? This fear is common but often misplaced. Easing into activity and seeking guidance from a fitness professional can reduce the risk. Concerned about cost? Getting fit doesn't have to break the bank. Walking, gardening, and free community resources can be just as effective as a gym membership. Many gyms offer discounts for older adults, and some health insurance plans cover fitness programs. Local parks often have free workout equipment, and community centers provide low-cost or free classes. As you can see, many of the barriers we put in our own way when it comes to exercise are just myths. Excuses shouldn't stop you from experiencing the rewards of staying active. It's normal to lose interest in a routine, but that's no reason to quit. If running is your go-to, try strength training. If you love yoga, give hiking a shot. The key is to keep moving and stay engaged. Focus on personal reasons that inspire you. Picture your future self looking back with gratitude for the effort you put in today. To truly unlock the lifelong benefits of exercise, consistency is key. Fitness isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Every step forward brings you closer to a life of health, vitality, and independence. So why wait? Take that first step today. Make the commitment to move, to be consistent, and to embrace the incredible transformation that will follow. So, are you going to follow your fitness routine today? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe for more video updates.